Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the smartest way to protect your cryptocurrency balances. If you are still struggling to make money online, or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So what are the risks for people who buy cryptocurrencies? How to protect your investments? Is it safe to put money into cryptocurrencies? These and so many questions people ask about crypto. Today, I'd like to talk about a question that almost every new investor has to ask. Is investing in crypto safe? First of all, I'd like to say that when you invest in something, you risk losing your money. You can't be sure you will make money on the stock market or with cryptocurrencies. People often say that investing in crypto is like gambling, which is not always wrong. Investing in risky projects or taking on new ones is a form of gambling, but not every investor plays the game this way. So there is no guarantee you will be successful, but the important question is whether or not it's risky. When it comes to investments, safe is a relative term. I would describe it as a spectrum rather than a yes or no. Some investments are safer than others, but there is always some risk with every investment. I would say that the only safe way to invest your money is in something that has been around for a long time and usually has a low return. Many people with a lot of money can make a lot more doing this because even 1% of $1 million adds up over time. This video is for people who don't have this kind of cash on hand, which is most investors. How to protect your wallets. One of the first things I want to talk about is how to keep your cryptocurrency investments safe in your wallet and what to watch out for. There are many crypto wallets and exchanges that can hold your cryptocurrency, but are they safe? I would say both yes and no, because since I got into the crypto world, I've used a number of exchanges and wallets, and each one has its own pros and cons. Robinhood is the only platform I will tell you to stay away from. My explanation has less to do with shady moves that might have been made during the Doge and GameStop craze this year, and more to do with the fact that Robinhood doesn't give you full access to the blockchain IDs of your cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.